Hey, what's up guys? An interesting news is coming from Xiaomi. The Poco F1 was one of the Xiaomi's greatest hits in 2018. The smartphone came with a great specification and high-end chipset, that is Snapdragon 845, at a very affordable price tag. Despite the great success, Xiaomi didn't reveal a successor for the handset yet. We are already in the last months of 2019, but there is nothing more than rumors about the Poco F2. Due to this, some fans of the popular sub-brand are going crazy without the news about the affordable flagship. Since Xiaomi released the Redmi K20 series, many thought that it will eventually replace the Pocophone series. We were actually expecting Xiaomi to release it as Poco F2 in India as an answer to Poco fans. However, this didn't happen. The crescent surge of the question about the Poco F2 is something so constant that the general manager of Poco India, C. Manmohan, made a tweet about the matter. Manu Kumar Jain, the head of Xiaomi India, may have just unintentionally teased when the much-awaited Poco F2 will arrive. The company's executive shared a photo on Twitter of him and the team lead of the Redmi business, Sneha, having a discussion. The photo in question seems to have a clue about the Poco F2's arrival date. Directly behind both the company executives is a whiteboard with what appears to be a timeline of the Xiaomi product launches. If you zoom in close enough, you will see some timelines. It shows a Mi Pad slated for May and June, while the further down we see Poco F2 return under the last quarter of the year. Don't hold your breath here. The Mi Pad wasn't released in India this year. This could mean that the information in the board is outdated or maybe just related to the next year. That would mean that the Poco fans will have to wait one more year for long-awaited successor of F1. The Redmi K20 Pro is there to eat Pocophone F1 fan base. However, it isn't so aggressively priced like the Poco F1. Only time will tell if Poco has intentions of releasing the Poco F2 during Q2 2019. So this is the details that we have received about the Poco phone. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to comment on Poco F2, please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.